New year, new set, new episodes of Canadian Critters. Finally! And 418 subscribers, Happi. Friends, we sure do appreciate you. Come on and see what's new on the farm.
So I see you're going ice fishing there, eh? No. So you're making an ice sculpture? Or an igloo? Definitely not, Kay. So then I give up. What are you doing? What I do best. I'm setting a trap, see? A trap? Who are you gonna catch? Don't know? Don't care, Kay? So, what's that supposed to mean? Everyone will be ice skating today, see? And someone will glide over here and fall in. And then, do you know what'll happen? Razor will come and save them? There will be some daring rescue? Exactly. Now you're catching on, see? Well, I'm not catching on. I don't see the point of all this. The point is, that will be the perfect time for us to make our move. What's our move? While Ranger's busy saving someone, he'll be too distracted to see that I'm stealing what he loves the most. And what does Ranger love the most? Not what, but who?
Who's ready to go ice skating? We are!
Let's go, I've been ready all morning.
Wait! Helmets on, little ones.
Aw, man. It flattens my ears.
We have to. Winter is here. Ice skating has begun.
Where's your helmet, Jessie?
And flatten this gorgeous hair? Are you crazy?
Always protect your head, Jessie. Oops, I fell over. That's how we learn. Ice sure is slippery stuff. I'm practicing for the Olympic Games. Race ya! Now hold on there, Happi. May I please have a moment to prepare? My feet are cold. My tummy is hungry.
I think I'm done. Why don't you warm up by the fire? Roast some marshmallows.
I need to warm my ears. I want a hot chocolate.
Any minute now.
Oh no! Ah!
Did you hear that?
What was that? I can't get out! I can't get out! I can't get out!
Happi! I'm coming, Happi!
Cold! Cold! Oh, the humanity! Stuck? This is a job for Ranger.
Don't struggle, Happi.
You'll break the ice more. I'll pull you out.
No! Ranger, help! He's got me! Oh, thank you, Ranger.
No time for that now, Happi. We have to get you warm. Where's Reese? Reese! Reese!
Where did you go? We're looking for you, Reese.
Reese! 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 Reese!
Ranger, it's Reese's helmet.
Ranger, try to stay calm. We'll follow these tracks in the snow.
Coyote, stay here, Jesse. Where's Reese?
You can't make me tell you, see? All right. I'll tell you.
Ranger? Oh, Ranger!
Reese, are you hurt? Did he hurt you?
No, I'm not hurt. I was just so afraid.
I was afraid too. I'm glad you're okay. Let's go home and warm you up. I'll deal with you later.
This will get us warm, Happi. What a day we've had.
Oh, Jesse, I thought I lost Reese forever.
But you didn't, Ranger. You saved her.
That looks nice and warm. Reese, could we please share your bath? Come on in.
All right, Ranger. You've made a point. Come on, pal. Let me out of here, would you? Ranger? Ranger? Fox? Anybody?
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.